In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the location services or the GPS is not working on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open the quick settings and from here just make sure that your Samsung phone is connected to the internet. Either connect your phone to your Wi-Fi network or to the mobile data. After that, in the quick settings, just make sure that the location services is turned on, because if this feature is turned off, the GPS or the location services will not work. Now if it is already enabled, just turn it off, then just wait for a couple of seconds and turn it back on. After that, just tap and hold on the location services icon, and from here just tap on app permissions. Now from this app list, just look for the app with which you are facing this issue. For example, let's say if it is this app, I just select the app. Now instead of don't allow, just select allow all the time. After that, just enable the toggle for use precise location. Now after you do that, then just go back and in the location section, just tap on location services. Now just scroll down to the bottom of the page and enable the toggle for Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Now on this page, just tap on location accuracy. Now from here, just make sure that the option for improved location accuracy is enabled. As you can see, it is already enabled, but if it is turned off, just turn it on from here. After that, just go to your home screen and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to settings and under settings, just scroll down and tap on device care. From here, just tap on performance profile. Now if it is on light, just select standard and after that, just go back and tap on battery on this page. From here, just scroll down and check if power saving is enabled or not. Now if power saving is turned on, just turn it off. Because when power saving is enabled, your phone will prioritize the battery life over the performance of your phone, and it might disable some background activities like the location or the GPS services. So make sure that power saving is turned off. Now after that, just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the quick settings and from here just tap on the power icon. Now just select restart. Now after you tap on restart, you'll perform a restart on your phone. Now once the restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just open the app drawer and look for the app with which you are facing the location or the GPS problems. Now let's say if it is this app, now just tap and hold on the app icon, then tap on the eye icon over here. In the app info page, just scroll down and tap on storage. From here, just select clear cache, then tap on clear data, then select delete. After that, just go to your home screen and go back to settings. Now under the main settings page, just tap on connections. From here, just tap on data usage and select allow network for apps. Now on this page, just scroll down and look for the app with which you are facing the location problem. Just like that. Now instead of Wi-Fi only or mobile data preferred, just select mobile data or Wi-Fi. Now if you have done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go back to the main settings page and from here just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on general management. From here, just scroll down and tap on reset. Now on this page, you will find the option for reset all settings. Now just tap on it, then tap on reset settings. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, then select continue, and from here just tap on reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your smartphone. You will just reset all the settings of your phone to the default, including the Wi-Fi settings and the Bluetooth settings. But if you've done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.